there, welcome to my channel Homely Help. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed every time you step into your home? Do you dream of having a peaceful and organized space that sparks joy? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to tackle the topic of home organization, and I'll be sharing some practical tips and strategies to help you get your home in order. So let's get started. We need an organized home because clutter and disorganization can be stressful and overwhelming. It's hard to focus and it's easy to feel like you are drowning in a sea of stuff. But the good news is that there is a solution. With a few simple changes and a bit of effort, you can transform your home into a calm and organized oasis. Let's start. Tip number 1 is start smart. Begin with an area or room at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Otherwise, you would have a lot of pressure on your mind. Next come declutter. Get rid of items you no longer need, use or love. A clutter-free home is a clutter-free mind. Less stuff, more life. And decluttering is not just about getting rid of things, it's about making room for what matters. Because the less you own, the less that owns you. A clean and organized home is a reflection of a clear and focused mind. Clutter is not only physical, it's also emotional. Let's go out of the past and make space for present. Remember, decluttering is a process and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Start small, stay focused and enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free home. Tip number 3 says, use storage containers. Label and use bins, baskets and boxes to store items which are out of sight. With storage containers, you can store with style and live with ease. These are the boxes that can hide the mess and bring you the peace. Because store smart and live happy. Next, tip number 4 is very important. That is one in, one out rule. Like you have to maintain a balanced amount of possessions by getting rid of an old item each time you bring a new one into your home. This rule applies to all types of items, including clothing, books, kitchenware, decorations, and even digital files. This idea is to maintain a balanced amount of possessions rather than consistently accumulating more. When you follow the one in and one out rule, you will be more mindful of your consumption habits and more intentional about the things you choose to keep in your life. It helps to reduce clutter and disorganization, save time and energy spent searching for lost items, decreases stress and anxiety, encourage gratitude and appreciation for what you already have, promote sustainable consumption and reduce waste. Remember, one in and one out rule is a flexible guideline, not a strict rule. Tip number 5 says assign a specific place to each item. Like you have to designate a specific place for each item to maintain order. It means designating a designated spot for every item in your home, making it easy to find and put away the thing. It reduces clutter and disorganization, saves time searching for misplaced items, encourages responsibility and accountability among household members, improved focus and productivity, and enhances overall sense of calm and control. Remember, assigning a specific place to each item is a process that takes time and effort to establish, but it is a crucial step in maintaining a well-organized and peaceful home. Next come establish routines. Create habit for regular cleaning, maintaining, and organization of your home. For this, create a schedule on daily basis, weekly basis, bi-weekly basis, monthly basis. You can assign tasks like divide responsibilities among household members to share workload and promote accountability. You can prioritize the task and break the task into chunks, use reminders, but be flexible with the task. Regularly assess your routine's effectiveness and make changes to optimize your organization system. The benefits that we get from it reduces stress and anxiety, saves time and energy, encourages accountability and responsibility. Remember, consistency is the key. Stick to your routine and it will become second nature, helping you maintain a beautifully organized home. Last but not the least, create launching pad. Designate a spot near the entrance for keys, wallets and other essential. A launching pad in home organization refers to a designated spot near the entrance of your home where your family members can place essential items such as keys, wallets, bags, coats, shoes, and accessories. This centralized location keeps these frequently used items organized, easy to find within the reach, and making it convenient to spot to grab when you need and head out of the door. Common locations for a launching pad include entryway table or console, hallway shelf or hooks, closet or cabinet near the door. I hope you would have liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly subscribe the channel as well and share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. You can also suggest a topic where you need a video. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.